I am in Bali and I got some chicken Alfredo, which is something I've been wanting for months. And I'm like, no, I can't do that. I'm not in America. There's no point. And then this thing is, I don't know. It just said like banana caramel. So we'll see what that is. Okay, taste test. I hope this isn't too loud for traffic and stuff. This clip is taken in the future, but this clip is being filmed in the future, but I'm explaining the transition from Cambodia to Bali, Indonesia, because I never did that. So once Allie left me in Cambodia, she left me. This was 70 cents times 5. 4.50 maybe, and then this one was, the dessert was only $1.40. I haven't had Alfredo in so long. Yum. Oh my god, that's so good. Anyway, Allie left me because I had plans to go to Indonesia and she didn't. For fun. I wasn't gonna make her come to Bali with me. And she left, and it was really hard. I was really sad. I kind of just like tried not to think about it, even though I thought about it realistically like all the time leading up to it, the whole week before. I was nervous to be alone, and I was just really sad. I was really gonna miss her. It's one of those things, like, we're traveling, I think I'll see her again, honestly. I think I'll visit her in Spain one day. She has a house in Spain. I do think I'll see her again one day, but there's so many times during traveling where you meet people and it's like, I'm never gonna see you again. And I can't even talk about it. It makes me really upset. Like, even today, like, this isn't a future vlog, but I hiked a mountain with 4 other people. I didn't get their names or their social media or anything. It's like, I really like those people, and I literally am never gonna hear from them ever again. I don't know who they are or nothing. It makes me really sad. But anyway, Allie left. She went to a different area of Cambodia, and I had plans to take a bus to Vietnam and then stay there overnight and then take a flight from there to Bali. I worked it out like that just to get cheaper flights rather than a flight straight from Cambodia, which was more expensive. Issue was, I thought I could get into Vietnam easy peasy because Allie, she's able to get, as a UK citizen, she's able to get into Vietnam for up to 15 days without any visa. I assumed it was the same for me. And you know what assuming does. I already knew this was important to do, but I think I finally learned the lesson the hard way, because I only looked it up like 9 hours before my bus the next day and saw that you need a visa as a US citizen. Not only do you need a visa, I was like, okay, fine, I guess I have to pay a visa. You need a visa before you get there. So I'm looking to apply, and they take like 10 days. So I'd have to get expedited visa, which would be up to 4 business hours. So it would have been done on my bus trip, and hopefully just hope that it got done before I got to the border. So I paid like a shit ton of money, $150 to do that, because I already had bought the bus ticket, the hotel, and the flight. And then 20 minutes later, I get an email from them being like, we're having maintenance issues. We can't do expedited visas. Sorry. Give you a refund. So I start freaking out because I can't get in Vietnam. It means I can't get my flight. And my bus and my hotel back. So that's already like kind of $400 I lost. And then I'm trying to find the cheapest way to get to Indonesia. I thought about skipping it altogether. But then I realized I couldn't do that because I already booked I booked my hotels for Indonesia, the whole week of hotels, as well as my flight from Indonesia to Vietnam. So then I would have needed to get another flight to Vietnam later. I had to get to Indonesia somehow. So I was looking at direct flights to Indonesia, which was really expensive, like the next day. I was exploring other options. I decided the next day, like 9 hours later, to take a 14-hour bus ride to Bangkok. Arrived there at 1 a.m., stay overnight, leave the next morning from a direct flight from Bangkok to Indonesia. That's what I had to do. I had to buy a new flight, which was like $200. That included luggage. Thank God, because like I could have done a flight right from Cambodia, but I would have a layover and I would have had to pay for luggage on both the flights. It's just like, you really gotta check small text, you know what I'm saying? What is this? Maybe I don't want to know. Is this cheese? Or onion? Maybe I don't want to. If it's this zucchini, I'm gonna be sad or something. I don't want to know. It's not bad. It tastes good, but you know, sometimes I'll find out there's a vegetable in my food. God forbid, and I won't like it anymore. This might be zucchini. It's so good though. So the bus, I'm never taking a bus, well maybe I will, but the bus across the border is a headache. I mean, I'm on this nasty bus that's so uncomfortable for like 6-7 hours, maybe 8 hours, and then I thought they would drive through the border. I'm stupid. But they dropped me off somewhere and I'm like, I have a direct bus to Bangkok, like where the fuck am I? And then like trying to find anyone who speaks English, and someone tells me to go to the bus station like across the street, and I do, and they're all confused and they're like, you gotta get a bike to the border. I'm like, what do you mean? Like, I have a bus ticket with you to get across. Finally, they arranged for like a tuk-tuk to bring me to the border, and then the tuk-tuk dropped me off at the border, and they told me with like instructions that were not very clear to me, or I was just out of it, to go through, get my passport stamped, and meet them at a specific spot. And it's just like so stressful. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know if I have like a bus to catch on the other side, like what time it leaves at or whatever. I can't find them on the other side of the border, and I almost start crying because I'm like, where the fuck are I? Like, I don't know how to find them. I went to like the passport guards. I'm like, do you happen to know like where this bus would be? And they don't know. And they end up finding me, and then I take the minivan back, which the minivan was much more comfortable. I'm gonna do that next time. And then I get there, sleep over at a shitty hotel, and then leave to Indonesia. And I really like it here. I was putting off talking and introducing this for a while because I just like was not in the mood to talk. I don't know if like it was either the fact that I was around someone for so long that that's how I was used to like getting out all my thoughts, and no, that doesn't make sense. I think maybe it's because I was alone for the first time ever. It was like my voice just like kind of, my thoughts just all kind of shrunk down into me internally. I didn't want, like, didn't want to talk to anybody. Like, I didn't want to stream. I didn't want to vlog. Like, I just didn't want to talk. Like, I just wanted to be in my own head. So I didn't introduce the vlog. So at the start of this vlog, I'm currently in Ubud. I am still, but it's my last day here in the future. But in the past, this is my first day in Ubud, which is a town in northern Bali. I really like it. It's really cute. And it is hipster girl kombucha essential oil city. And I'm not gonna lie, I like the vibes. It's a little cringe at times. It's very aesthetically pleasing. I like it here. It's nice. Trying to find... It was hard for me the first few days to like get the motivation to do anything. It's like when I was alone, it's like, I don't care what I do. It's like, I don't care to get things done, or I didn't have the motivation to see things. And like, I just didn't have plans, and I was lazy. And but then it finally kicked into me, and I found a bunch of things to do. I occupied myself. I'm like, damn, I wish I spent more time doing stuff. But anyway, I found things to do. You'll see them going forward. So thank you in advance. Wait, I'm not done with this tip because I gotta taste test this dessert. So this is like the strawberry and some of the juices. This is like a flan, or like what is this called? Oh my god. I hate the texture. But the taste makes up for it. Oh, what is this called? It's not like a flan, but oh my god, the flavors are amazing. This restaurant's so good. I ate here one other time. That's really good. It's a fairly good price too. Now this clip's over. Say hello to past version of me. How did you get up there, mister? chicken and cheese quesadilla and black rice pudding. I'm gonna taste it. This was, the quesadilla was $2.50 and the black rice pudding was $2.15. I'm really hungry. I wish this was more food, but I'm gonna find a grocery store so I can eat cheaper. Black rice pudding. Butterfly pea flour. What is this, mint? I think. Oh, it's hot. Oh, that's really hot. No, is this all coconut? I'm gonna be so sad. I don't like coconut. Weird. It's just like slightly sweet rice porridge and really hot. It's just like rice porridge. I actually feel this feels like kind of healthy. Like try a piece of the banana. Oh, it's so hot. Okay. Grocery shopping to try and keep my spending low. But I'm having a hard time finding prepared proteins, and I don't have any stove or anything in my hostel. Okay, let's do a taste test of some candy. Where did I put it? So I see this one everywhere. And this one. So I see these everywhere. Let's taste it. I see this one everywhere. It's just chocolate with nuts. I probably should be careful about opening things that I'm not going to finish. There's like, this place is infested with ants. Guess I'll just have to eat it all. No, I really can't. It's just chocolate, but it's really good quality. And I'm impressed because every other place I've been to in the last month and 2 months has had the worst chocolate, like so waxy. That's really good. Way better than I expected. I should have tried this first. I got this looking for protein. 130 calories and 4 grams of protein. That's not that good. Let's see, it's strawberry flavor. It really reminds me of those Nutri-Grain cereal bars, you know, the ones with the fillings. It weirdly tastes like just like that. Good. This candy. Let me see where it's made. Oh, Switzerland. Wait, no, it's under the license. don't know. And then it also says Indonesia. So there's a lot of Dutch influence here because so this is out of all the countries I've been to, like Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, those were all very similar. Like honestly, you don't need to go to all of them. I mean, you need to go to Cambodia for Angkor Wat because that's worth it. But like in terms of the cities and the towns, they're pretty similar. Here, it's slightly different, I would say, because they were colonized by the Dutch, whereas the other places were colonized by the same people, I think French and British or something. But so I'll notice I saw like speculoos cookies, like Biscoff cookies. I also see like bread with like the chocolate sprinkles on it, which I forgot what that's called, but I had that in Belgium, if you saw that vlog. I noticed some other things. I'll show you if I see it. It's so soft. Caramelly Three Musketeers. These are so good. I don't know if it's just because I haven't had good chocolate in a long time, but these are really good. I went to a grocery store and I got things for snacks. I got oats because there's hot water here, so I can make oatmeal. I got milk, not that milk, soy milk, bananas, some ramen. What else did I get? Oh, some apple chips. That's really it. I got this. This ramen was very cheap. I think that was like 40 cents. Oats. I was trying to bury my ramen. Bananas. Oh, and then I also got, as a souvenir for my dad, I got him some of this coffee. I see these in the souvenir shops, but I was like, it's probably saving some money if I got in the grocery store. And this coffee, which is kind of expensive because it's like this animal like eats the coffee cherries and the cascara with the beans inside, and then they digest it and they shit it out, and then they take the beans from that, and it's supposed to make it taste very delicious. So I see this a lot of places on souvenir, and I want to get this for my dad because I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, that's my haul. And the milk, so that's in the fridge now.
She's a badass bitch. You know you're watching her twitch.